Want to take a good look of your ass, you know? Yeah, fit like fickle. You see her? Whoa.
5 minutes later.
Presentable place, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, so the people ain't gonna lose their money. Yeah. Who lucky win, you know, they look away there. But then everybody have the same look. They never have a sense of puss and dog now have the same look, you know. Yeah. Place look presentable still, me not tell you like place look 100% up there. Yeah, boom. It take time traffic go through. This is which part you ask them check a morning time and since, you know. And check house. You understand? Yeah. Inside the vineyard town, you know? Take a good look at another stable here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice place, man, you see me? Can come hold a chillax more time, even if you're not buying no bet none of them things they know you can run in a place and come sit down and hold a vibe sometime and take in what go on, you see me? Yeah, so the badness come down. Stable. Like our new stable this. You see when I use them place they make it. Active man. Right round the place with it. Yeah. Fully active. Whoa. Them know a thing go. Take off girl on the river and then bingo, you know? Yeah. Inside, you know, I have to keep quiet now because I can't do make them know so I have video. Right this way. Whoa. Right in this how then test the jacket them way, you know? Boop. Okay, man has my general. Yeah, fully outside. The runway, you know? Enough man never been right here before, you saw the runway. Right here, so at the runway. Yeah, but me now go over in the track, you know. I just go and ease myself and talk. So, you. Boom. Yeah, inside track. Yeah, bet. Yeah, I have to take a peep. You know they look away, they don't care what go on. I have to take a peep. Right in here, Sadi, yeah. Exact spot where we can sit down and spend no money. You know they look away and go and drink a juice and hold a vibes more time. Yeah. Inside a track, you see me? I have to hold a vibes. They say the place nice and big. Whoa. Man. Top Jackie. Yeah. We outside, you know them way there? When we say we outside, some boy if we move, give it space. Yeah. See stage where our performance go on. You them they a tracker. Yeah, so track stay me not too love man, you know, so that's why I keep my distance. You know them way there? Yeah, but I want to get a good look over in a place how it place stand. Yeah. Bad, you know them way there? Yeah. Bad. Bad. You know I think come down already, you know, man. World. Your gully got it telling you from a long time. The world is mine. You know them bad man from ever since. You're outside again, you know? Yeah. Take a look at the beautiful Caymanas Garden Racetrack. Yeah, this is the place to be on a Saturday. You understand? Right now, coronavirus can have a place away, but you don't know on a Saturday. Right, that's all. All a nice vibes. Anything you want. Yeah. For chicken, for jerky, for any way you want it there. Yeah, swim around anything you want it there. You see me? Yeah. The ground active. You understand? The ground fully active. Respect there, my general. Fully active, man. You see me? That's a quick preview of what. Yeah. Someone has speed for bicycle with the boom. Alright. Yeah. We outside, you know what? When we outside. General. Yeah. We outside.